Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to archive a class in Google Classroom. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on the way how to archive a class in Google Classroom. Now, first thing you need to do is go to your Google Classroom account, and in here you can see the list of classes you have. So what you're going to do is to click on the three dots on the upper right corner of the class you want to archive. And in here you will see three different options and click on archive. Click archive to confirm, and after that you will no longer see the class that you just archived. And if you also want to see the list of classes you archived, you may click on the three lines on the upper right corner and click on the archived classes. And in this page, you can see the class that we just archived a while ago. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.